We've all been there. You're at a party, everybody's standing around talking about the difference between bright field and dark field lighting, but you don't know what it is, so you can't join in. Well, let's sort that out today. If we've got a camera looking down, it creates what we call a W. So the field of view of our camera is measured by two lines coming down, and then they reflect back up at exactly the same angle again, creating this W. If we produce light that's within that W, it's what we call bright field. We're relying on that light to hit an object and reflect up to the camera so that we can see it. If we're outside of that W, then that's what we call dark field lighting, sometimes referred to as low angle lighting, and that light is coming at an angle like this. If we were to put a mirror in front of that camera, dark field lighting we won't ever see. It's going to hit that mirror and it's going to reflect off and we never see it. It's only when we do things like if we scratch that mirror, then we see that scratch because the light is able to kind of dig into that and we get a reflection of it. It's also good for things like picking up on chamfers of a part or radiuses, things like that. The flat of the part, again, is black. The radius or chamfer on the edges becomes light and we get this beautiful outline of the part. If we go into bright field, then we're reflecting light off the face of the part. It's as simple as that. So next time you're at the party, join in. You get it too.